Today we are going to talk about buying second-hand drones. So the first thing you want to know is that you want to search for drones in those second-hand markets with a lot of audience in it, such as carousel where there's a lot of people in it. Then a lot of people will be listing a lot of things in there, so you have a higher chance of getting a good deal. The second alternative which I find also is a bit useful is Facebook. Also, like drone groups. Some people list prices really well. And some of them they have a Mavic for about a Mavic for about 750. So that was pretty good, but it was sold immediately. When you're searching for deals, check around with other listings, because for maybe 800 or maybe 700, you can find other phantoms with like maybe a drone bag or ND filters or extra battery or maybe a carbon fiber prop. So take your time and search so that you can get the best deal, so you can spend less and get more out of it. When you find a deal, always make sure to check it with other prices in the market. Like you could use other wholesalers like maybe Lazada, or for like a brand new drone, you want to find out how much the actual drone costs at that time, because sometimes people list the product you're looking at a bit higher than what it should be, so take note on that. So that's why I always check the big market first and see how much is it for a brand new one. Then you can go ahead and get the deal. Yeah, and please note that's really important to do. If you don't do that, you get scammed and lose a bit of money, because maybe you're buying a brand new one might be better than buying second-hand. Then you need to see how long that listing has been up. Let's say it's been up for less than 24 hours. Don't bother giving them a low ball price, because they probably won't accept it. If the listing has been up for like a month or maybe more than a month, you have a high chance of actually lowballing the person, and they will actually accept, because because some of them might not even think that their product might be even sold, because no one had ever bought it already in such a long time. So when you lowball, you have a high chance of getting your offer accepted. Then always make sure that the person you're dealing with has a really good standard, like his other deals with other people were actually well, and he doesn't scam or have or hide secrets about the product when you buy it. Always be careful to check first before you go ahead and do a deal. So now let's move on to what you do when you want to get the deal and everything looks fine about the product that you want to buy. Like, you want to do a visual inspection of the product before you even meet the person. So ask them to take some pictures of the product. If they won't take pictures of the product, then that could throw a red flag already, because maybe the person isn't so like happy about you checking it, because maybe the frame is damaged or that it's bent or something, then they don't want to show it to you. Take note of that, because sometimes they could be hiding secrets in the product. Only make the offer to the seller when they agree to let you test the product first before buying it, because that's really important when buying drones. Because you need to fly it, or either if you don't know how to fly it, ask the owner whether he can fly it for you, and then that's to test all the sensors and make sure the camera is working. Because for some drones like the Phantom 4, the gimbal, when you tilt down, there's a known issue that when you tilt down, then they could be and go up really quick. Sometimes there could be like some noise, some weird scratching noise, because there's some dirt in the gimbal. So the obstacle sensing is working, and visual positioning system is working on the drone. That's if you have Phantom 4s. For Phantom 3s, you want to make sure that there's no compass error. Like the compass is good still, and when it has full GPS, it shouldn't be rotating all around a weird axis. You shouldn't do that. So just make sure everything is good before doing it. And always make sure you meet in an open area, not like in a person's house or something, because safety is also very important when you are dealing with people on second-hand markets, because you don't want to get in trouble or lose your life doing this type of deals. When you meet the person, always make sure that all the lines of the drone over here, like all the body parts, all lined up, no parts is sticking out or wanting to fall out. Make sure the camera works well, make sure like the motors, they're all not damaged, or the frame not twisted, or all these LED covers, make sure none of them are missing. And so you want to make sure that you ask them for how many times the drone has been charged. Like you can check the battery too. I will put an overlay on how you can do that right now. Okay, so this is actually how you are gonna check the drone's battery levels to make sure the battery is still good. So you're gonna this also will tell you the charge cycles. So you're gonna go into the drone app, then you're gonna go into these three dots over here. Then you're gonna go into your battery, this one over here. It will show you the amount of times it has been used. So you go into details, and hold on, there you go, times charge 21, and then production date is unknown apparently, and the serial number of the battery is right there. So you can actually find out every single thing about the battery over here. Then also you see these 4 voltages. If the battery is still good, but after I drain it for a while after my flight, it should eventually drain about all the same levels. So that's what I want to be able to do, and I will update you guys once I'm done with my flight. So now you can see that the battery life over here, you can see that this is all even over here, the 3.4, 3.72 volts all throughout. So that's very good. That means this battery is probably in good health still, so I can fly with this battery for a long time. So yeah, this is how you check to make sure that your drone's battery is good before you purchase a second-hand drone. Okay, so now the battery looks good, the camera doesn't make noise, the drone actually works well, all the systems are working. Then now you can finish the deal, ask the person the money, and you can, before you do that, ask for a bit of warranty, maybe 1 or 2 days or 1 week or 1 month warranty, so that in case if anything happens, like the drone itself fails, you can get a refund. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to get good products on Carousel or Facebook or drones, because I personally got this one for a really good price. It's really cheap. There's only one part that didn't line up over here, but this is a simple thing. I don't really mind about it. I don't find it much of a hassle because it is a good deal. I got it for really cheap. I use this thing really well, long exposure photos and everything. If you guys want to question me on some Carousel or links or deals that you want to find out, and you are not too sure that that's actually a good deal, you can ask me and then I'll reply to you maybe in 1 or 2 days, because I am currently doing O-levels and it's quite busy. So yeah, you can ask me those questions, I will respond to you, and maybe I might do a video on it, do a few case studies maybe about it, if a lot of people provide me different things. So with that, I hope you guys fly safe and have a great day. Peace out.